One of the most interesting parts of the house is that the first owner was Elizabeth Mosher, a woman, and then the next day her husband was put onto the deed. But I thought that was really cool to have a woman be the first owner. And the house we can find back all the way back until 1876, but there's a lot of details, specifically the staircase, that argue that it could be earlier. We've been told that maybe there's a possibility that this house was moved to this spot in 1876, so that was the first time it popped up here. But it's honestly a big mystery. The house has a lot of character and there's a lot of mystery throughout time, and I've met so many people in the neighborhood and so many people in the area that have lived here or know someone that lived here or wanted to buy it or have been here, so it's definitely an interesting house. It has a lot of stories. My favorite one as a fashion designer is that in like the 70s, 80s, someone lived here who had mannequins and they would dress them up in the round window, and so people in the neighborhood call it the mannequin house, which I'm a fashion designer, so I love that. I think it's a little kooky, but I think it's really fun. So obviously the round window is like the character of it. And we have Allie is here, Allie Lacasse, and she created a custom gingerbread version of our house, which I think is so special. And we invite you to come and have some ginger molasses cookies too.
Thank you.
So, yeah, welcome.
So who was Elizabeth Mosher? Do you have any idea?
They don't have any information on her. All of this area was part of the James Arnold Mansion estate, right? And so there was arguing maybe like she was someone that worked for him or someone like that, that's why she ended up with this house, but we don't actually know. They couldn't find any information on her. They found that her husband was a mariner and that was it. So we don't really know. So we like to make up stories because, that's
What's your favorite one to make up?
I like to think that maybe she was like a loved, staff person of the Arnold family, and that was like how she ended up here, and that's why she became the owner before her husband. It was unique of the time, so there had to be something special about her.